Hello everybody. Russia has released several videos showing multiple coordinated FPV Kamikaze drone strikes on a number of Western equipment operated by Ukraine in the Zaporizhzhia region. Targeted were a number of vehicles, including 3 Leopard 2 tanks. Also at least one MRAP, a M2 Bradley and the M113 APC were attacked. The rest of the vehicles were basically normal light-skinned vehicles such as trucks and humvees. It has to be said that in the video there is no visual confirmation for the destruction of any of the Leopard 2 tanks. Also, the vehicles targeted look like a mix of disabled vehicles and vehicles on the move. The Bradleys here look like the crews already left them, same as with the Leopard tanks. So I believe Russia struck them in order to keep Ukraine from retrieving the vehicles to throw them back in battle later. This also says that Russia is currently unable to capture these vehicles themselves because it would have a high propaganda value for them to display such Western gear. All in all, I believe the losses of Western gear for Ukraine during this particular operation in the Zaporizhzhia front were slightly above company level, and Ukraine has a lot more vehicles. Also, a lot of the gear seems to have only been disabled and not entirely destroyed, at least when it comes to Leopard tanks and the Bradleys. Marders and CV90s, we haven't seen them at all, for example, till now. Also, the latest news from the region said that Ukraine made progress in the Zaporizhzhia and also in the Donetsk front. Also, they keep advancing slowly in the area of southern Bakhmut. So we will see in the future. That's it for the video, guys. As always, make sure to leave a like, a comment and share this video. This helps this channel really a lot. Also, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, make sure to hit the bell and enable notifications. That way you get this content displayed a lot more often to you, instead of the regular mainstream media channels who just repost the videos without adding any narrative or context to it. This would motivate me a lot because I don't know what's up with YouTube. Basically, I'm a 2.3 million subscriber channel and I only get about 250k impressions if I upload a video. Pretty shady, YouTube. Nonetheless, thank you for watching, guys. Till the next time.